I'm Brendan Daniels and we're going geocaching. It's No Shave November and we're ready to go. We're going geocaching with my buddy Anonymous today. So we go hard. Let's go. Hello? God, someone's calling me. Bye. Really?
Takes a lead.
74.
Hut, hut.
10.
Hike.
Hike. Shotgun.
Okay, that's
found the geocache.
That's the first coordinates of the 5-stage geocache.
We didn't found it yet.
But I'm looking at it right now.
40 times. God.
Ow!
Oh, spiders!
Wait, do we have a pencil?
Oh.
Fail.
Go buy one.
Let me pee on it.
Surely you have one in your vehicle. Surely. Shotgun!
I'll go to the gas station and get one. Just walk in there. Hey, you got a pencil?
Yeah, they would probably keep you. Take this.
There's been
Hey, you got a...
there's been 4 people that have found this.
Really?
Well, we're number 5.
And bam. Good deal.
He's got the pencil.
One of them.
Pencil.
Pencil.
He's got it.
Hey.
Hey.
Get that crap.
I already got it, Jack.
What's the number though?
Oh, hey, spider.
Where? Right there. I left a magnet, but it works.
Find it.
Are you filming? You know what? I'm on the phone, CJ. Yeah, can you patch me through to Greg's place? Thank you. Oh, hey. Hello, this is Brendan Daniels. I was hoping to order some Baileys. Yes, of course I want them in the shoe. Come on. Do you have any paintings? Of course I want old Greg paintings. Come on. Don't get cranky. I said Tucker, deliver it there.
Why? Because people thought we were trying to steal money from the phone booth. Who uses those anymore?
We'll be back. We're gonna
I'm the only one.
find it. We just need. Shotgun!